Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitzel for those of you who do not know, and welcome. Alright, so today's video I wanted to do a kind of full face of only clean beauty makeup. Recently I have seen that I have been buying a lot of clean beauty makeup. Why? I don't know. That's what I've been attracted towards more lately. I like that more of a very natural look, very effortless, very clean girl makeup. So yeah, and I have a product that I'm very excited to talk to you guys about. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would help me out a lot, and let's get started. So it's been a while since I've done this, so please excuse me. Alright, so like I mentioned, I have been liking more of that super natural, almost like no makeup look, what they call it now, the clean girl makeup look. And I have been loving that look. Maybe it's because of the summer, but summer is almost over, and yeah, but I think I'm gonna still be using this makeup towards fall because I love it. It's super simple, especially if I have to work on the weekends as a makeup artist. It's just something I can get done in 15 to 20 minutes, so yes. So for my face, usually what I do is really prep my skin with my serums, moisturizers, really get it hydrated because my skin tends to be on the dry side. And I really like to prep it. Also, SPF is very, very important. Lately here in California, the weather has been crazy. The UV rays have been insane. So I've been taking care of my skin and trying a lot of SPFs because they don't all work under makeup. But because right now I'm recording this at almost 6 p.m, I don't need that. So I prep my skin, and for the base, I have something that I do a lot, but I also just picked up this. This is the SAIE Slip Tint Tinted Moisturizer. But I also, last night I did tan myself a little, so this might not be the correct shade. So I've been dying to try this. I've seen it all over TikTok because and I love to find new products there and new creators. So there's where I have been spending most of my time there. So go give me a follow if you would like. But I've been dying to try this, but I don't know if it's gonna be my shade. I think it's gonna be my tan shade. Oh no, okay. Well, no, I think it's too light for, it's the exact same shade as my face. And right now I don't have a tan on my face. I just tan my body. So we'll be using you for another time. So we're gonna use the products I mainly use lately. Wow, that's super slippery. Okay, can't wait to try that. So what I usually do, I take the Merit Perfecting Complexion stick. I have the shade Ochre. Ochre is a bit too dark for me. And this is the old formula. I know they just reformulated this, but I actually do enjoy the old formula, but I cannot wait to try the new one. So what I do is just apply it mainly under my eyes and any areas I get redness. And also try to apply it as more of a full-on kind of foundation, but not completely, just because my my face is very, very fair. And I do that. This is like my lazy girl makeup, to be honest. And then instead of blending it out and applying my concealer, I go in just with my concealer. This is the KOSAS Revealer Concealer. I use the shade 2W, and I just apply it under my eyes, mainly where I apply everything else, just on top of it. This one is gonna give that yellow tone that I naturally have, and I blend it all together. And again, lazy girl makeup. And then with the Merit #1 brush, I'm just gonna blend it out. And I've been loving doing this, especially on the weekends when I work and I don't have a lot of time to get ready. And this just really gives a beautiful finish to my skin. It doesn't look cakey at all. It just looks like skin, and I don't need to stress if my skin looks good when I'm doing my client's makeup, because I know it's gonna look good and it lasts all day. So this is like my foundation concealer in one. And I mix it with the concealer because even though I have my tan, I think it's too dark still. I got it like last year when I was like super tan and I went on vacation. But right now, this is fake. And this just gives the perfect medium coverage I'm looking for, because I don't want to look super cakey or like full on coverage. I like how my skin looks like skin. All right, now that we got that out of the way, I have been dying to share this product with you guys. It's the new Merit Bronzer Balm. It's the newest product from Merit, and ever since they uploaded their promo on either Instagram or TikTok, I was like, I need that. But Merit was kindly enough to send me the bronzer, and I'm very, very grateful, because if anyone knows me, I love bronzer. I love bronzer, especially cream bronzer, and ever since I saw this one, I was like, I need it. So this is the Merit Bronzer Balm. It comes in 5 shades. I got the shade Clay, which is perfect for light to medium skin tones. It's a sheer buildable bronzer that gives a natural warmth and also adds depth. I have been trying for the last couple of days, and it just gives this natural bronzy look. I have other cream bronzers, stick bronzers, and they all seem to have a very matte finish, and this one just looks like a little bit a glow from within, just a very natural bronze. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a gold packaging. It was very, very nice, but the way the product comes in, instead of a circle shape, it actually comes in an oval shape, which this is perfect if you want to have a more of a bronzy look or more of a sculpted look. So if you wanted to have more of a bronzy look, you would apply like this towards your cheekbones, like this. Or if you wanted more of a contoured look, you go diagonal in. I like more of a bronzy look, so I'm gonna apply it so I can look more bronze, because I'm very bronze. So I apply it like so, and oof. It's super creamy. I'm just obsessed with it. I just received it a couple days ago, and it's the only bronzer I've been wearing, and I knew that was gonna happen. It's super, super creamy, it just melts into the skin, which I love. You can apply it like this and blend it out with a brush, or you can blend it out with your finger. I also like to apply a little bit of my nose just to give it a little sculpt, and also my double chin, because we do have a double chin currently. Thank you very much. So this is how I applied it. I like more of that bronzy look, and to be honest with you, I just go in with my foundation brush. This is the Merit #1 brush, and it blends out in seconds. It's super easy to blend out, and that's what I love, especially if I'm in a hurry. I just want something that blends out quick and fast, and this is it, and also has that beautiful, beautiful finish. Oh my god, I'm becoming that girl who has one brush for everything. I shouldn't be that girl, but I am. Look how fast it just melted into my skin. It looks kind of part of my skin. It doesn't look like makeup at all. I just look a little bit more bronze, and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Also, lately, I've been loving kind of that wet look on my eyes, so I do take a little bit of the bronzer and just apply it to my eyes, just like a bronzy kind of look, and I blend it out with my fingers, and that's that. So if you're the type of person who loves a very natural bronzer, or is into very natural makeup, or it's just needing a new cream bronzer, I would highly recommend this one. So if you want to pick up any of the products I mentioned, especially the Merit Bronzer Balm, I would highly, highly invite you to use my link, which is going to be in the description box below. You do get free shipping on all orders over $40, and also you would get a signature bag with your first purchase. All right, next it's going to be highlighter, and this is another product from Merit that this is like one of top 3, no joke. Top 3 for Merit. It's their highlighting balm. I have the shade Cava, and I don't like a highlighter that has like glitter particles. I like more of that wet skin look. So this is what gives it to me. Like, oh my god. And I play with my fingers just to give it a more natural look. Like, I don't need to look more dewy or wet, but this just takes it to the next level. Like, I don't want to seem like I'm sweating. I just want to seem like I'm glowy. I've missed filming. I love talking to myself on a camera, but I'm talking to you. But it's just weird, and at the moment I'm recording this. But I love this, damn. All right, for blush, because we're heading toward fall, I'm gonna use this blush, which is, I've been using even on summer. This is a SAIE Dew blush in Spicy, and I'm obsessed with this blush. It's so good. It gives that super glowy look. And I just apply to the outer parts of my face. I do blend it out with a brush. You could also blend it out with your fingers. But this blush, I think it's the only blush I've been using. It's so good, it's perfect for fall. I'm gonna take whatever's left on the brush, apply it to the bridge of my nose for that sun-kissed look. Wow, I look like a bronze goddess. Lordy. All right, for my eyebrows, this is what I use. Another product from Merit. I love this. This is the Volumizing Pomade in the shade Brown. It's just an eyebrow gel that has color. If you know me, I'm very lazy when it comes to my eyebrows. So if I could get a brow mascara or brow gel that has a little bit of color, and I can just get it done in like 10 minutes, both brows in 10 minutes. No, that's too much. Both brows in maybe in like 5 minutes. And I even think that's too much. Look at the difference, wow. Wow. And if I wanted to add more volume, what I do is kind of brush the hairs the opposite way, like so. It kind of looks crazy first, and then I brush them to look a bit more perfect. And this is how I get more color and also to add more volume to my eyebrows. I also recommend this product for people who have like very thick brows and don't need a lot to them. I have thick brows, but my hairs are very my eyebrow hairs are very thin, so I have a lot of like little bald spots. So I do like to go and apply a bit more where I think I need it. But I think that looks nice, especially for a day-to-day. I don't care if you can see a bald spot in my eyebrow, to be honest. Next, I saw someone on TikTok use this product. It's from SAIE. It's a Dew Balm Bouncy Marshmallow Highlighter. It's a highlighter, but this person, if I can find the TikTok, I'm gonna put it here because I was obsessed with that look. She used this on her eyes. And again, I've been loving that wet kind of look on the eyes, and this is what is gonna give it to me, hopefully. So what I'm gonna do is I just need the tiniest amount, very small amount. I don't think I can wear this as a highlighter. I think it's too dark. I'm just gonna apply it all over my eyes. Oh, this is what I needed. This is what I needed. Also, my eyelids are very oily, so maybe I should have used a little bit of a eyeshadow primer. Look at that. Yeah, that's too dark for me to use as a highlighter. Very excited to use this every day. Looks kind of, I just look fresh. That's the word I'm looking for, fresh. Fresh out of the runway. No. So I'm gonna curl my lashes off camera and then be right back for mascara, because I think that's gonna be the last step, because I'm done. I told you, I get this done in like 15 to 20 minutes. I'm taking longer because I'm talking to you guys, but I'm loving everything, especially that bronzer. Oh my god. Okay, let me curl my lashes and be right back. Alright, so I curled my lashes, and for mascara, this has been my favorite mascara all summer. It's the Cali Ray Come Hell or High Water mascara. It's a tubing mascara. So tubing mascaras are perfect for people who, like me, use contact lenses, or also people who just want to get their makeup fast at the end of the day. And usually with tubing mascaras, you just add a little bit of water to the lashes and it's just gonna come off as little crumbles, and it's not gonna affect your lashes, and also you're not gonna get blind if you're using a balm on your eyes. It's just faster, and this is my favorite one. It just adds the perfect amount of volume and length, and I just bought the mini. Also with tubing mascaras, it's not gonna smudge in my under eyes, So I'm gonna apply it to my lashes. And lately my lashes have been looking so good. I don't know what's going on with them, but they look very dark, very thick. That never happened, so I'm very, very happy. I also have been using this mascara without setting my under eyes, because usually I have to set them so my mascara won't smudge, and it does not smudge with or without powder. It's great. It's great, especially for me when I'm working long hours. It's great. I don't have to worry that I'm all like a raccoon. I'm also gonna apply it to my lower lashes. Look at that. Wow. I'm obsessed with my lashes lately. They have been chef's kiss. I love my makeup. I mean, I'm acting like I haven't seen it like this. This has been my makeup the last couple days, especially because I've been trying the bronzer. But I'm obsessed. I'm actually obsessed. I could also go with a little bit of powder. I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder, but usually I don't apply powder. I do apply it if I'm gonna be working long hours. Just so I have a little bit more of control of that glowiness. But I'm gonna apply it a little bit, just a little bit. And keeping it with the Clean Beauty, I'm gonna take the KOSAS Cloud Set Powder, which you guys know I love, because I've also broke it. That's when you know you love a product, when you break the packaging. That's how much I use it. And I just go very lightly under my eye and like around my nose. Like, it looks the same, it just kind of settles that glow. But I love it. Also, I haven't been stressing a lot with powder just because I've been sweating, so the powder is just not working, you know? And whenever you're sweating, don't apply powder on top of sweat. It's basically adding powder to water. Just think about that. Not nice. But look, it still looks natural. I just kind of settle that glow. It looks good. Still looks like skin, nothing cakey. Perfecto. Alright, so for lips, usually I just apply a lip balm or a tinted lip balm. But right now I just want to add a little bit of color. So I'm actually going to use the Merit, what's it called? Signature Lip. This is in the shade Tiger, and this we love. I just apply one layer just to get that, just a very sheer color. And that's what I do. I just apply it to my bottom lip, just a little bit, and then smudge it to my upper lip. And it just looks more natural instead of like a full-on lip. You could totally go for a full-on lip, but this is what I like. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Look how good I look. Like, my skin looks so good. My lips. Girl, I still cannot get over how I look. It's a super natural look, to be honest with you. We're being honest. It's super natural, anyone can do it, but I'm just obsessed how my skin looks. It just looks like skin. It looks like me, but a little bit better, which we need sometimes. I love. It's just me, just a little bit better. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. Also, if you want to pick up any of the Merit products I spoke about today, and I would highly recommend picking up the bronzer balm, use my link in the description box below. And remember, you do get free shipping on all orders over $40, and also it comes with the signature bag on your first purchase. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, which I always leave down here. I'm very active on TikTok and sometimes Instagram, but I'm very active. And yeah, I love you. I hope you're having a great day, great night, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!